Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Following a previous video, I spoke about Altura ALU literally a month ago. It's making huge strides. I knew it would. It's never financial advice, as you know, but when I done that video, it was just over 2 cents. It was a crazy price, in my opinion. We actually had 46 cents in the last bull run. It was actually November 2021. Now, since then, it's making huge strides, massive development, and they've had some big news literally in the last sort of few weeks. And I say they're actually doing fantastic. So when I done that video a month ago, see the market was $12.8 million. Okay, now it's ranked 756. I say just over 2 cents. Here we are today, ranked 584 with a market $23.5 million. Okay, it's got over 120,000 people watching it with just over 3 cents. Now, we're actually down 5% in the last 24 hours, but I think it's fantastic. We've got 73% of the supply out there. So it's making massive strides, it's doing really well, but it's not till you actually go on their Medium page and understand the massive news they've got. Unity has included 11 of the top Web3 companies in its Verified Solutions program. Altura is one of those top companies, alongside heavyweights like Algorand, Infura, MetaMask, Solana, and Tezos. There's many others as well, so there's 11 of them. So this is absolutely fantastic. Unity's position in the gaming industry makes this a pivotal moment. It truly does. For them to select Altura, to me, is absolutely fantastic. Altura has the potential to reach vast new markets of players and developers, accelerating the adoption of in-game NFTs and paving the way for rapid growth of decentralized gaming. Now, when you actually think about Unity and you think, oh, how big go? Now, this is their Wikipedia page. Now, it started in 2004. You can see there, since then, it's a massive Wikipedia page detailing everything they've done. It's a huge company, constantly buying new games, constantly developing, constantly buying companies out. This whole thing is about who they keep buying. Now, I think to me, when they went public in 2020, but also in 2022, you can see here, in July 2022, Unity agreed to buy Iron Source in an all-stock deal worth $4.4 billion. Okay, now the corporate side of it, you can see they employ more than 2,000 people in offices across North America, Europe, and Asia. So it just gives you a sort of insight to how big this company is, and the fact they've selected Altura, as many as quite a few others, but the fact they've selected Altura to me is absolutely fantastic. Now, when you delve more into Altura and what they're developing, you can obviously they're very active on social media, but when you go back to that post on Medium, what is a verified solution? Unity's Verified Solutions program is an ecosystem of trusted products. Altura's engineering team worked directly with Unity to ensure that our SDK met and exceeded Unity's stringent technical standards for the Verified Solutions program. Now, if you actually go on docs.alturanft.com, you can see there, using our Unity SDK, you're able to interact with Altura services such as authenticating users using Altura Guard. So it's already been used there, the Unity SDK. So this is absolutely fantastic. It truly is. Now, when you go back to their site, and I'll show this before, alturaNFT.com, you can see there 44,000 unique marketplace users, 291,000 total marketplace transactions, 38,000 unique NFTs minted. Okay, and that is great. Now you can see there, everything that's saying Altura provides everything you need to integrate Web3 into your game in a simple yet powerful platform. So again, huge strides, but Unity, obviously that partnership and then trusting Altura took it to the next level. Now, who knows where that price will go? I say 46 cents last bull run, 73% suppliers out there. I personally think, financial advice, I say we easily should get to a dollar. That's to me is what I'm aiming for. That's my first profit target is actually 60 cents, and then it'd be a dollar. So as I say, it's never guaranteed. Do your own research. There's a lot of competition now in Web3 and gaming, etc., and everything else about it. So just do your own research. But to me, this is absolutely fascinating. You also do staking, staking.alturanft.com. You can see there what you can do if you want to get yourself some staking and do it there. So you've got some new ones out there. So again, time will tell how this develops, but with this price, it's a fantastic time to build your ALU. And that's what I'm really fascinated by. Recent tweet also, how Altura has fully integrated Polygon's Lab ZK EVM into its suite of products and services. Now, Polygon managed huge strides again lately. Probably it's the number one layer 2 built on Ethereum with their plans, what they're doing. Even saw Charles Hoskin the other day praising Polygon, which was absolutely incredible. So just shows they're making huge strides. Now I need to get myself more Matic. I sold a lot in the last bull run. I need to get myself back in there. I think it's a fantastic price at the moment, Polygon. I think it's absolutely fantastic. Now, getting back to Altura, always check the blockchain. It's wonderful to see it here in CoinMarket. We actually check the blockchain. Now, you can see they've got 70,000 addresses, but you can see the amount of trading going on. A lot of amount being traded, but not all from the same address. It's not like there's one address holds massive amounts of Altura, which is great to see, but 73% supply of that is absolutely fantastic. So when you go back to Unity and see the size of this team behind it, it's a massive, massive thing that Unity has selected Altura. I find it absolutely fantastic. So as usual, I'm buying more on Gate.io. And I've showed this many times before, but basically on the spot trading, you select there, you can see on the top left here, ALU, I want to get, select that. You go through, you get the prices here. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually going to buy myself 89 Tether is going to give me 2,788 ALU, which I think is absolutely fantastic. You know, who knows where this will be, say, the next bull run as they develop. So I'm just basically going to hit buy ALU, and then that eventually will go through. So order placed, so great. And I just want to constantly get more and more ALU. I want to get myself to a certain figure, and then we'll take it from there, how they develop. But I certainly would give regular updates on ALU, so I think it's a wonderful time to get into this project, I truly do. So anyone want help, there is a link below to join Gate. If you're not on Gate already to get ALU, I'd only recommend Gate. I've mentioned many times, a wonderful exchange to get the low cap gems. It's probably the low cap exchange. There's a lot of competition with KU Coin, etc., as well as MEXC, but to me, Gate.io has so many low cap gems. Easy to use, wonderful exchange, never had issues. I've got a special referral link. I've showed you before. I've set it up to the trading fees, the rewards, and the commission. Basically, I've set it where I get the actual minimum, which is allowed at 10%, you get 30%. Anyway, so there's a wonderful link there. So it does support the channel, do appreciate it. Anyone want help using Gate or anything else related to crypto, please don't hesitate to reach out. Email me, info@cryptostrain.com, all my social media links below. Don't hesitate. So have a wonderful weekend. Let's go back to this in a few months. Next year as well, ALU. Look at that, ranked 584, 23 million market cap, just over 3 cents. Okay, I think this is fascinating. So what I'm going to do, just set this to GBP. So there we go. This is what I'll be using moving forward. British pounds, so you can see there, it's basically we're over 2.5p at the moment each, which is absolutely crazy low. Volume in the last 24 hours also 542,000, which is up on again what was the previous video, the daily trading. So it's fascinating time. Thanks very much. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.